Okay, we are going here on the front tire. So let's start again. Weight on. Right there. And then we're gonna tie it up same way, but we had to do pattern. What I mean pattern, when you tie up the bolt for this tire, like a pattern, tight over here, next over here, and over here, then 5. While we do that, we'll show the tires when you drive it, it's not wobble like that, so it's even. So start tie up over here, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's do it. Where's my this one? See, easy. So the job is easy. Alright, and then take off. Use the torque. But before you do that, I'm set to the tire up this way, like that. Before I do this torque, this one, you need to lay it down on the floor before you do the torque, the final. Okay, this is my jack. Let it down. There you go. Then take her off. Then let's go back over here. And tie her up. Use the torque. Go this way. So easy. Start on the bottom, whatever you want. Or this one, whatever. So first tight, no click, then second pattern, no click, second, and then third, no click yet, fourth, no click yet, 5, still looser, huh? See, now we're going to 1 click, start on the bottom. I guess better if I go this way, right? Okay, 1 click, and then second pattern, 2 click, 3 click, 3, 4, 5. One more. 1 click, 2 click, 3, 4, 5. So later I'm gonna hook it up together when I'm done to the other side, this for final. So let's go on the other side, same way. All right, you have it.